Listening to Uniswap events is crucial for developers and users who want to stay updated on the latest happenings on the Uniswap protocol. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange that enables users to trade cryptocurrencies in a trustless manner. To listen to Uniswap events, you need to understand the basics of Web3 development and the Uniswap protocol. First, you need to set up a Web3 provider such as Infura or Alchemy to connect to the Ethereum blockchain. This will allow you to access the Uniswap smart contracts and listen to events emitted by them. You can use libraries like Web3.js or Ethers.js to interact with the Ethereum blockchain. Next, you need to identify the specific Uniswap events you want to listen to. Uniswap emits various events such as new liquidity, remove liquidity, swap, and new pair. You can find the list of events emitted by Uniswap in the Uniswap protocol documentation. To listen to Uniswap events, you can use the Ethers.js library to create a contract instance and then use the on method to listen to events. For example, if you want to listen to the new liquidity event, you can use the following code. Create a new instance of the Uniswap v2 factory contract and then use the on method to listen to the new liquidity event. When the event is emitted, the callback function will be triggered, and you can perform actions based on the event data. It is essential to handle events properly to avoid memory leaks and ensure that your application remains responsive. You should also implement error handling to catch any errors that may occur while listening to events. Best practices for listening to Uniswap events include filtering events based on specific criteria, handling events in a timely manner, and implementing retry mechanisms to handle network failures. By following these best practices, you can build robust and reliable applications that integrate with the Uniswap protocol. In conclusion, listening to Uniswap events is a crucial aspect of building applications that integrate with the Uniswap protocol. By understanding the basics of Web3 development and the Uniswap protocol, you can set up event listeners to stay updated on the latest happenings on the Uniswap protocol. Remember to handle events properly, implement error handling, and follow best practices to build robust and reliable applications.